Today's plant is called Gecko's Vespa Vino. If you like the weird ones, well, this is a little weirdo in the family. It's a little wasp. Well, not little. It will get a bit larger than this. And if you don't know, if you haven't seen my other videos where I explain what the wasps are, the leaves have, let me focus in here. The leaves have little leaves growing in the back. Here's another sample. Here's one. This one actually grew in a big circle. Look at that. There you go. And if I turn it around, it's like one big circle. They're the weirdos, but we like them. And let me focus in on the little flower. There you go. I'm seeing a little pink. Well, it's almost all pink, but I do see a little two-tone, which is standard for violet flowers. And on the side, it looks like this. Very cute. So if you like the weirdos, well, wasps are a little different than the regular violets. And always a nice addition. People look at them and say, they're not African violets. People that don't know about them. And they're fun to grow. So that was the little plant of the day, Gecko's Vespa Vino. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day.